as usual, moving the microphone a little bit late. Yeah, while I was cleaning the room, I forgot I have a filter for the microphone. Let me try to reuse it again if I can get all the wires away from it. Alright. How can I use your services, Mr. Filter? Gee. Stand still, please. Alright. There you go, I believe. Is that some kind of dust? Yeah, it's... wow. This filter needs some cleaning. What am I doing? Yeah, I start streaming. Oh, welcome back everyone. The last 3 days I've been working on designing the first few stages of the game, writing dialogue, search, research, read and rewrite, and all the crap. And I kinda at first was like, oh, this is so easy, so stressless, so I can work a lot on it. And after 3 days I was like, I don't want to read anything anymore. So it seems there's like, it's kind of stressless, but there's a cap, and when you hit the cap it's kind of hard to do anything. Yeah, I was searching for Bushnell. He called his competitor Jackals, and I was like, what does Jackal mean? And yeah. So I haven't made a weekly review for like 2 months. Hopefully this weekend I'll try to make one. There's a lot of things that I done that doesn't deserve to be mentioned, because if I want to mention them, I need to mention the details in the GUI system and some other control management system, or some rewriting stuff. Some of the stuff I rewrite them in a way. I haven't seen to do a task list. So I have been staring at the screen for 2 hours trying to start working and start reading and stuff. This is arcade. I'm not working with arcade. I was like, you know, I'll screw it. Let's try to why there's the screen is way zoomed in here. I wanted to zoom out a little bit and I cannot zoom out. Oh, okay. You must not be clicking. The mouse should be outside of the table. One of the things that I really need to work on is the event system, but I will delay it till I make at least one act to show the difference, I guess, to others. What does it mean not to have an event system and how dry the game will be? I guess that's a good reason to show that if you make a game engine, you need to do every single freaking thing. Yeah, this is my rant period and the video at the start. I try to get everything out so I can focus on work. So bear with me. My goal is to work at least 3 hours every day, but I might give myself a slack and do 2 hours today. Because I was actually going to say, do you know what? There were days that I was really sick and done 1 hour. I can just say screw it and do nothing. Because I have been doing really good the last few days. Well, not this day included. And I deserve a slack, no? But I was like, are you sick? No. Are you sleepy? You're always sleepy, but not that much. Are you tired? Not. Yeah, this week was just explosive of work. So I've been doing quite good actually, even though I was extremely sick the last 2 weeks. I was putting a lot of hours these 2 months in short. So yeah, I'm not going to finish the game in this year, unfortunately. There's no way. There's zero chance to do that, especially if I keep ranting like that without getting into the point. Because I have no point today. That was out of nowhere. I apologize at the same time I don't. Anyway, to be honest, I need to make one of these suckers and do it. But let me check something. In the test 2 game, we have a utility which is not that smooth to work with. Yeah, I spent some good amount of time to make a diagram for the game engine. And I could put more info and details on it, but I believe this is good enough, especially when I noticed that the class diagram, yeah, I am on purpose putting it way too far, even though I'm showing the code. Why am I afraid to show the diagram itself? I don't know. What I was going to say. Every time I add an association between classes, the stupid Visual Studio was adding a property to retrieve that class as an object, and he had tons of garbage code in my stupid project. And not only that, whenever I delete something, he deleted as well. And I was, oh boy. He deleted the inheritance of a lot of classes. And when I figured that out, I was like, okay, stop. We will stop working on the stupid design thing. This is good enough. We need to clean up. And it took me like 40 minutes cleaning up the mess, if not more. I believe the utility is using the GUI name that's listed inside the test 2. Yeah, I screwed up with my layout by mistake. I've been doing a lot of stupid things. I'll try to fix it. I mean, look at that. What have I done? So why the thing is so slow? So we should see the toolbox, not this one. What? Why does it look like different a little bit? I have no freaking clue. Output an error, please. And both of you are no. Oh boy. I wonder if there's a way to reset it to default or something. No, join the thing. Join. G. It's look wrong. It's taking part of this. Um. hmm Give me a second. This is stupid. No. Yes. And flies, please leave my arm alone. Um. Property. Where's object property? Maybe it doesn't call object property. Class view, code definition, object browser, error, task toolbar, notification. What the frick? Data tools operator, GitHub. Yeah, this one. Thank you. Okay, what I did by mistake, I was looking for a way to collapse all the code, and by mistake I clicked on auto hide because I wasn't reading carefully and it's not auto collapse all. I was trying to get an icon outside here instead of clicking Alt M O every time, and it hide all of these, and I was like, this page look wrong. Did the error take the place on the left side but not the right side? I'm not sure. If I take this one, not sure to be honest. Anyway, just in case, so this fiasco won't happen, I will save it and call it standard, even though it doesn't look like anything close to the standard. Something is, I need to watch old video and see what's going on. How about to start the clock and say, yes, I have just started working now. So, what were we doing? After taking 12 minutes of your time, yeah, this look wrong in many ways. In many ways. So we have a util PNG, and it defined these things, and what we are trying to do is to add these dynamically. No, don't update it now, please. And I believe these are the info. So you have exit, button, combo box, scroll V, scroll H, scroll P. We must know the names exactly and make sure they are the right info. 173 18 check F, and 118 73 18 x 18 check T. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the test game, check the util, and it was a mess. And now I feel I don't want to code. A few minutes ago you don't want to read, now you don't want to code. So you don't want to work, in other words. Screw you, you're going to work. Let's see. So we are using these. So in the game engine, actually that's not a very bad idea. I could define these when I try to add the menu itself. The only problem is I didn't force this to be a singularity. But why would I add it twice in my stupid games while I'm the only coder? To protect the project from other stupid coders. Well, screw them, screw me, screw everyone. Let's just do it. I was going to do it in the game core file itself, but why should I add the debug utility info to the memory if I'm not going to add the util itself? So with that, if I add it here and I just remove adding this util when I publish the game, I won't need to go to the game core file and disable it from there too. So this is the whole point. So what we're going to do, GUI location AR, I could even make a function to have the list and call the function to make it even clearer. Like, actually make it static. I'm not sure if the util is saved as a PNG or not in the game location. I wonder if I can add a list of both, like add range or something. What if I just made the list in here like a new tuple, string in new rectangle. Give me a second. Give me a second. What if Jesus? No. Yeah, I still struggle with making an anonymous list. Can I have something like this? I don't think I can say new list inside the new list. That will be silly. Oh, what if I do this? Well, you can do this. Oh, don't do that to me, please. Yeah, I'm trying to make a collection of these folds. Yeah, I cannot say a new list because it will be the same if don't click on stupid things, will you? Oh, actually I can. Here. What did I done wrong in the last time? Only God knows. Anyway, it works, so fuck it. Can I do that? So I can do that. Okay. Okay. Frick. Menu? Something is wrong. Is it called menu or is it called button now? And the text it says both, but it is menu in here, but it's a button here. What the f... Calm down. So actually it is a menu, screw that. So menu, location, 0, 0, 100, 100. Exit 1, 10, 10, 15, 15. Combo box 0, 100, 120. Button. I'm a great typer today. 100, 50, 50, and 23. Scroll V. On 100, 0, 10 50. Scroll edge 100 0 50 10. Scroll P 125 10 10 10. Check F. $100 $73 $18 $18. Check T. 118 73 18 18. Okay. Beautiful. After all the work, he's crying about something now. So we fucked up somewhere. Frick. Really? Oh. Okay, okay. Come on, cry for me. Show me what's wrong. Come on. Give me a break. Alright. So I'm checking if the stupid thing is saving the format or not. And it doesn't. So good. So this one should crash because we are adding something existed. So what we're going to do, we are going here. Should I double check? Maybe I should double check. You don't want to screw up in these things. Hey. Oh. Menu. I know this is boring, but just to make sure. Exit. Button. Even the spelling, you know, with capital B and everything. 50, 23, 150. Combo box with capital B both. Alright. Zero. Scroll V. 10, 50, 100, 0, and the other one is reversed. And this one is 10, 10. I need fun. Yeah, this is the size and this is the location. It's upside down. I know. And there you go. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm not sure if I delete this one, it will delete this one. Will it? Will it? Okay, good. So I done good work in here. Save. Edit. Go to the GUI location. And alright. So now we will take this file. Go to the wrong folder. And put it here. And run the game. And see if it will work the same or not. So if I click F1, so the utility is working, these things are working. I don't want to make it a full screen yet because weird behavior. Why am I playing with it? Because I'm testing it. And now if we go to the code and go to the test game and we go to where we defined it and we go to Unmency Games, for example, Unmency Arcade, sorry. And I done nothing to this game to, oh boy. Why everything is not packed up? Did I scoot up something in here too? Oh boy. This doesn't sound good. So, the component number 11 is already taken, and even number 20, boy. So the util will be 21. Pray. Oh, we will test that, but before we do that, let's make F4. Show it. Come on. Oh, I must do that too. Do I? I believe so. And then this we will show. And pray that this might work. Oh boy. I'm afraid to click F4. And yep. Key not found. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to do at least one step for each game. Only one step, hopefully. And I wonder if there's a way to avoid that. Actually, I should do the same trick, actually. Yeah. Give me a second to think. What I'm going to do, this is a little bit dangerous, you know? A little bit dangerous. I'm going to the game file, edit the game, go to the game, test 2, go to the GUI, and delete the util. Are you sure Are you freaking sure? Right. It's a small one, but save. Go here. Go to the util. I'm trying, if you noticed, to make the util to be added easily to all projects without they have to do a fiasco. At the same time, whenever I don't need it, I can remove it. Let me, what I was going to do, yeah, replace this stupid thing. Pray. Because if you made a mistake now, you will pray. It will crash if I try to open it. Because the image doesn't exist, right? So we need to add it in here. Let me think. But there's a difference between loading it and putting it in the dictionary, so I need to put it in the dictionary first. Shouldn't I wonder if I can move this as well. Let me see. Let me fix that problem, then consider moving it. Maybe move this to the util too, to remove the responsibility of the stupid game engine to the game core file to do that. A lot of frick to do this. Yeah. So this one is added to the dictionary and in the same time loaded. I see. I load it as a text. I see. Pray. This one should be fixed. I might. Oh man, I need the content. Do I have access to it in the game core? I believe I do. Maybe in the C. Frick. Size. Freaking content. Do you think I can redefine it? It's a part of the game. Why cannot I access it from there? Oh, no, 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 not the game core, but the game itself. Alright. And this belongs to the game core. And the folder name should be, was it SP, I believe? I could, yeah, put it somewhere else than the SP. Oh, it's in the GUI, silly you. It's in a part of the GUI, yeah. Let's see how well will this work. So seems they are working fine. No, don't apply. Alright. Why am I playing with it? Let's try to move the definition in here. Or actually just copy it, make it like this, make it like this, run it, see if it crash. Yep. Then put it here. Yeah, as long as the sucker is not called twice, the utilmc, things should be fine. Of course. Life of a programmer. Copy and paste. Thank you. So the game core have nothing to do with you anymore. Nothing. Nothing, and it should be like this. Feel much better. Remove anything that deal with util outside of the util. Make it independable. Ta-da! Need testing. So now we have this sucker. Let's go to Elemency, and we only need to do one thing, unfortunately, every time, is adding the someday I will find a way around it. I believe there were a few attempts to find a way around this, but they didn't work. They just didn't work. Adding images manually to the pipeline. I mean, there's even a way to open the pipeline as a script, and you can write code in there, but kid didn't know how to deal with it. So kinda my fault. Kinda my fault. So yeah. So now Almansi, after we add this line and define the thing as number 21, it should work. So if I click F4 and look at it, great. So later on, I need to define a function to manipulate the look of the game based on the resolution to fit in a good way. Dude, screw you. I need to make the pointer when you click on here doesn't go to exactly to the right but in the middle. That might help. So I'm not sure what's the best, for example, background. I'll look at that, the location of the angle of the menu screwed up. And I know about this problem previously. I knew that the angles are and the magical numbers to fit in the corners is totally screwed up. So this tool hopefully will help me to fix up the angle, for example, the docking interface. So yeah, now we can add the tool easily to other projects. Let's add it to what is a game. So what we need is two lines to define the util and to add the image. I'm afraid I need to think about what I should do next because I already done the task that I was planning to do today and I have no further plans. Fixing the errors is a big no. I got sick of you. No. I'm sorry. So what we need to do is two things. Three things actually. First, to define the menu and give it a number. Then we initialize it. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, the initialize, if you do it in the object time, it won't work. It must be later. And it took me like 5 hours to find a way to make this code work without screwing up with the scroll. List items and combo box when the maximum items is larger than the number of items in the list, and there's nothing. I found nothing that caused the problem I have, so this is just like going away around the problem instead of solving it for real. Life. And the last thing is to show it by pressing a key. I wonder what's the key for let's ask Google. Frick. No, not the keyboard format layout, David. Okay, calm down. Tiled. Thank you. I apologize for the outburst. I mean, seriously? Who cares about that? I mean, most of us using the standard of QWE thing. I mean, I don't know if you know what's the layout of the keyboard, but yeah, not all keyboards in the world follow the same keys order, by the way. There are more than one standard. There used to be a lot much more standards in old days, but I don't know which company made this font layout. It is the most efficient to type the most common words in easy way and fast. They figured that out by doing some kind of crazy calculations on what's wrong now? Oh, didn't I forget to add the image? I probably did because I was talking about the layout. What the frick? Then what was the error? Don't tell me I add the key before. Oh. 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 Dun. Yeah, we need to delete you, and we need to make sure that you don't have the GUI as well. Yep, you're going to be deleted. Then we are going to go here. So in the future games, I don't need to add these suckers anymore. It's just to make things easier in the long run. And make the code a little bit nicer to deal with. And there you go. Yeah, I should use this key for that, I believe. In all the projects. The only question is, did I made it show by more than one key, I wonder? No, it seems I just added just because for the fun part of it. So I'm going to use this. Close you, save you, screw you, and then go here, and instead of clicking on F1, let's use the tiled. Am I wasting everyone time? Yes, you are. What do you want me to do? Workspace. I mean, not only you guys. I mean, definitely no one is watching this except my artist. But myself as well. Do you know I didn't check the microphone if it was working or not? It's working, it seems. Where were we? Arcade EU. Yeah, one of the main reason I made the whole util thing, that I know I screwed up with the docking calculation to make these menus on the corners exactly, and I need to fix it. And I was like, I spent hours upon hours upon hours trying to figure out why the screwed up angle doesn't fit when the angle is exactly on the corners, like 45 on 35. Why they don't fit? Actually, I made a magical number to add to the position to make it fit exactly on the angle, but this is not the correct solution. It drove me so freaking crazy. So I knew if I changed the resolution, everything was screwed up. and that's why we have a tool like this. Totally screwed up. Totally screwed up. It must be exactly the same resolution. So I either add a magical number that fit with each resolution, or find the real value somehow, make a formula, do something about it. You're turning me apart, Lisa. So yeah, later. What next? Next is close this. And what next? I could work on the event system, or I could work on one of these suckers, and I delayed this. I was going to work on this 3 days ago, and I was like, you know what? You need to work on the freaking game. Let's make a demo at least at the end of this month, something working, please. So, yeah, I delayed all of these guys. I could check why the color of the text is not working. Alright, that's not a bad idea. But how can I do that? Do you remember this one? Group ID 4. So I don't need these guys anymore. We could kind of remove them. Why do I have to create fires? Gee, I forgot the cover is scriptable. Gee, this is a lot of crap. I don't need these as well, kinda. What I truly need is a way to show the text. I could just made it in an ugly way, like this. Like, who freaking cares? So, now I remember why I have this. What the? Thank you. Oh, yeah. Do you remember when I moved F10? Now I need it to me. So what we're going to do, we're going to change some of the font colors for the English one. The Arabic one, you cannot change the color of it without using an FX, and I have never tried that before. To change the color with FX, I'm not sure if it will be expensive, I'm not sure if it will be pretty, and I'm not sure if it's needed in the first place, but yeah, you will need to add color to your text, definitely. So even the generic text might need to change it someday, but one step at a time. Well, yeah. The Arabic text, I don't think I will change it because each one of these is a sprite, and it's kind of really annoying to have one font. If I expand it by code, you will see a lot of dots and noise and stuff. So no. So what's the easiest way to do that? The easiest way to do that is to access the stupid thing and change its font. First of all, is it a true JCD? Yep, it's not. It's not. Wait a minute. Which is good, but I don't know why I didn't put false again in here. I mean, it's by default false, but what's going on here? No, seriously, what's going on here? This is not the true overload of the button, and yet it showed me the wrong one. It should be this one, I believe. So it is a true JCD. True JCD, that's going to load the one from the game core, which is, this is the case. In other words, we need to change the color of the thing because it's a real reflection. It's a pointer. Okay. Give me a second. Let's make the first one red, for example. Frick me. Oh, it starts from 1. Beautiful. Alright, so red seems alright. Let's test the other colors. So let's see how many reds do we have. We missed one. Beautiful. So let's test green, blue, white, gold, silver, purple, orange. I believe I know the problem now. It seems the colors in the C sharp is not the same values of the colors in XNA. In other words, because these are correct results, I see. In other words, the color in here is belong to Microsoft XNA framework, but when you go here, I figured it's just a problem in that kind of data related. I mean, this is ridiculous. So white. I want white. 0. Let's go to script wizard. We are in the correct position. And color. System drawing color. So I don't know if someone wrote something about this. C sharp system drawing color versus nope, wrong question. Okay, so the other way to solve this is to check each one separately and see the I prefer to go to the document itself. Frick A. Are you sure this is the right construct? Map simulator. Yeah. MSA C sharp system drawing color. MSN. I give up. MSNA system. Ah, frick. Color. I cannot access MSNA because I don't know how to search for it. Hooray. Is it called MSNA anyway? Did they change the name maybe? Am I mistaken something? This is these moments that show you how stupid am I sometimes. Documentation. Alright, color. Maybe if I wrote .net. You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. You're freaking kidding me. It's part of the .net. I don't want the guide, I want the documents. Oh god. Maybe .NET Core. Let me think about a function that I use and I got it in here. Like C# constructor. Okay. It's in programming guide, classes and structs. If I write system, I don't get any frick. Is it Microsoft something system? No, just system. I'm so desperate and I don't care. C# namespace system. So it is in the .NET framework, but API browser. Okay. Color. Thank you. Jesus, that took forever. I want to know the order. The following code example demonstrate RGB and ARGB property of color, and implicit example. So here BGBRA. But what's the order? Eight bits each for alpha, red, green, and blue. So alpha is first, I believe. So let's go to Microsoft XNA framework color. I'm sure some people have the same issues and they talked about it. Yeah. So I believe XNA use A after. And what the hell is this? This is not English. So it seems this is ARGB and this is RGBA. I believe because, so let me think. We could shift the color. Shift, are you sure? Well, it is a bit anyway. And it's 4-bit each, right? It can accept float color? Yeah. Interesting. So it is 255. No, it's 8-bit. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So we can shift it by 8. But before we shift it by 8, we could AND it with 8. Take the result. Multiply it by, shift it by 32 minus 8. And AND it. So how about to do this after the break? I need to take a break. So this is working, but taking colors from the stupid thing is not working. So this is what we're going to do. Let me write it down. Fix the dialog color from map simulator to game core. So first of all, we are going to add some color in the map sim for the text test dialogues. Did I write dialogues wrong? I don't know, I don't care, I'm tired. Show results. Add a function to shift and adjust the alpha of the RGB. XNA is RGBA. System is ARGB. Test the results again. Actually 5 for secret. Call the function for each color. And there you go. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a break. I forgot to play some music. Whoopie-doo. Whoopie-doo. I need to lower it because it will be booming. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. They don't have a good selection of canned food like the US. I guess Middle East culture is used to cook, you know? Not like the US, everything is frozen. And canned, they're ready to eat. It might take less than 30 minutes to fix the colors. So I need to decide what to do next. So I might start working on adding an effect to color the Arabic text. And hopefully it won't be costly, you know? Like applying the shader for every pixel every second, I don't know how costly is that. And I wonder if I should add a detail to change the font colors for this thing to see which one is the best for the menus and stuff. But I wonder if that's needed. I mean, Alhamdulillah, let's see. First step, before even thinking, remove these two things. Start the timers and let's take a look. So let's remove these. Because now we are sure it's not in the game thing or my setting thing. My setting is alright, but the values of the colors are not, and I was afraid of that. There might be a function to take a color from the system and change it into RGB, hopefully. But before we do that, what have we done? Let's change the value of some of them. So let's make this one into red. Okay, aqua. Blue. Red. Purple. Orange. Tomato. Turquoise. Violet. Let's make some changes. Alright, save. So let's check. So the first one is kinda aqua, blue, sea blue, red, orange, purple. Let's make green. Cyan. Did I start the timer? Is the microphone on? Is everything alright? Alright. So, wait a second. Yeah, the aquas are right, but the red is not. And this one has become invisible. The funny thing is this one is alright, like what the hell? So, let's go to the dialogue. Let's say, excuse me, princess, let me do this for you. La, la, la. Really? Remember, it's only once. Okay. So, this is the only guy, you say? And this is a color, okay. Nope. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, princess again. Actually, this is completely wrong. Oh boy, you're kidding me, right? Oh wow, what the hell, dude? What the hell? Really? Really? Okay, calm down first. When I programmed this, I didn't know what does alpha mean. Do I even have an alpha, I wonder? Am I making things more complex than what they should? Okay, let's see. Yeah, there's no freaking function to convert. I should test that in a different way. Now I start to become annoyed. Give me a few minutes and attempt to... So white should be... 0. I see what did I did. Okay. So I did that, eh? Wait a minute, the whole thing is wrong. This is not red. This is not green. And this is not blue. So these are fucked up. see red. Create a color structure from a specified 8-bit color. So what if I say alpha, which is yeah, I never test this thing. I just done the code and I was like, there are much more important things to do, and I deserve that. Or maybe I just saw it, but I pretended I never seen it. This is totally fucked up. What the hell is this? So these are maximum. Okay. Okay, now it starts to make sense. So this is right. Okay. Okay. That starts to make sense. I see. Give me a freaking second, okay? A freaking. Did you hear me? Freaking. Okay. So 65535 is with alpha. Exactly. So this is the full color. Okay. This is the full color. So this one you're kidding me, right? My calculation says correct. Can I copy this number? Okay. I will make a function public color color from int I should done this from the beginning. And I'm sorry about that. Yes, sorry about that. I thought it will take just few seconds, but no. Fuck me, fuck you, fuck everyone. It won't work, it won't work. It just won't work. It just fucking won't work. So I thought I will finish in 20 minutes and I'm still cannot even figure out why is inverted? Why the... Change of plans. Oh wait, why the screen is... I hate myself, this is really stupid. Can you run, Okay, calm down. Alright, so nothing wrong with the number, but it's saved in negative, so frickin' reason. It seems the stupid function good for nothing. I'm going to explode in a few seconds. Why did I multiply it with negative? What the fuck is going on? I don't want to even think. That's the problem. Now I got to the level that fuck everyone, fuck everything, and just I don't want to even think. Nope, it's not correct 100%. The purple and orange, they are not that purple and orange, are they? So the first number we received was 167777216. I don't trust my program. Number to color sim. One six seven 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 216. No, I want to know them. The same color. The same color. The same color. What the hell? Oh, this is not for the all right. 167. Okay, this is the color I want. 16711 681 1677 6961 655 36 232 96. Yeah, I can open the file and check them by myself, but I don't want to reveal the file format and stuff. 114, and I already hide the screen from the code for long, and I cannot focus when I don't want to show parts of the code. I just cannot focus. 1674 448. So let's test these colors by using a calculator and change them into fucking fuck. Okay, I need to calm down. It's FF0001. So the first one is red, obviously. 1677 FF01. So the second one is red, yellow, are you sure this is... I'm not sure what am I doing anymore. 1 0 0. I need a break. My anger limits has reached. I'm doing everything wrong. Completely everything wrong. And just... Let's do the first plan I was going to do. The first plan was shift, fucking shift, shift. So let's shift. Not you, wrong project. Oh yeah. Shift. Okay, shift. Shifted by 8. This is RGBA, right? Don't fuck with me. Something is funny here. Wait, I shifted by 8, but I didn't remove the alpha first. So this should remove the alpha, and we don't need to shift in the first place. The purple didn't work. What am I doing? The purple still didn't work. Did it? Not? I'm comparing the two. So you see the purple here is clear as purple, but here it seems white. But it seems things are alright. So what if I take F11 and made it violet? Stupid good for nothing. Yeah, something wrong with purple. That's definitely the case. It's almost look like yellow. I don't believe it. Should be much easier than this. I mean, what did I do wrong? Okay, one question. Yeah, the result is different. Weird. This is almost pure red. Why it's inverted? That's the question. I need to open the file to check what the hell's going on. That's me and yeah, screw you guys. Why it's memorized in negative? So it's the same value that this guy show. So actually I add one to it and and then multiply it. No, wait. Damn. Can't I even multiply it first, then negative by 1. Shouldn't program in the state. I'm full with anger, have no logic at all. Yes, good. This is the end of this episode. I'm going to kick something, cry a little bit, then come back and check why the stupid thing is doing this and how am I saving it, and scrub it. I'm just tired. Yeah. Sorry for the stupid performance, but this is to show you why sometimes it's stressful to program. Simple freaking thing. And it's consumed around 40 minutes and I haven't solved it. It should just shift the stupid RGB. So I need to figure out what the hell is this guy doing first. See you next time.